BTC is bouncing. I was hoping to knife catch, but we're bouncing as the train is leaving the station without me here. We'll get into the charts in a second. I'm still looking for a 3 drive. Still looking for a 3 drive Reno. Let's get into the charts. All right. So this is what I'm looking at. I want to see another drive. I want to see another sweep, and then I'm long. I want to see that. And then I'm going long because I think we'll probably get a bounce. Yeah, so I have an order just below this. Let's see if we get it. Same, yeah. That kind of reversal pattern, that 3 drive reversal pattern into like an OTE FEG is pretty good. I think there's a decent chance of a reversal. It's a swing. My invalidation is the lows. And if we get some really strong bullish momentum, I could even ride it a little bit longer. Yeah, so if anyone was paying attention to my Twitter over the last day or two, I did think we were going to reject that value area high. This is the weekly value area. And now I'm looking for a failed auction at value area low. When you get a clean value area like this, and you're just getting price doing this, you should always look to fade the extremes. You should always look to fade the extremes because it just gives you such good or on a potential reversal, right? What you should not be doing is longing here or shorting here. And play for the reversal. Don't play for the successful auction because it's less likely to happen. So what we're doing here, we're playing for the reversal. We're looking for reversal towards these highs. Why? Because we're in a value area. Do I always look for 3 drive reversal? Nope, not always. Just seems like the likely. It just seems like the likely play here, because we're just putting in lower highs and lower lows here. So I mean, if we do something like this, then maybe I change my tune and look for something else. Like if we pop here and start trading up here, then I will no longer be looking to long down here because I don't think we'll get it. If we pop up here, I'll be looking to, I'll be looking for something like that. So the challenge account I'm doing at the moment, we started with 5K like 5 weeks ago. Currently on 10.616, so 10.6K. Up over 100% on the challenge so far. Taking a few trades live on stream here. Yeah, and the rest have been shared in the Discord. But yeah, it's been fun. I've been having a ton of fun with it, I gotta say. But yeah, everything executed on Tealstreet. I'm not sure we're gonna get filled on BTC, which is sad times. Someone was asking earlier about leverage and why it's irrelevant. So to go through that very quickly, it does not really matter if you are achieving the position size you want by way of 10x leverage, 20x leverage, 50x leverage. If you're using cross margin, the risk profiles of a trade that uses $2 margin, 50x leverage is the exact same as a trade that uses $50 margin, 2x leverage, provided that the invalidation for those two trades, for those two position sizes, is the same, right? In both cases, you have a $100 trade. So you have a $100 position size. Let's say your invalidation on that position is a 1% move against you. It means you stand to lose $1 either way. It doesn't matter what leverage you use to achieve that position size. All right? Leverage helps if you have a small account. I mean, to an extent, leverage helps if you want to reduce your counterparty risk by minimizing the amount of your portfolio that you have with the CEX, which is obviously a very topical issue given the debacle we had with FTX not long ago, right? You want to reduce the amount of exposure that you have to CEXs for good reason. You know what I mean? And if you want to do that, like, very rarely will I have like any more than 10% of my, very rarely I'll be using more than 10% of my account to trade. So I keep 90% of it in a cold wallet or a hot wallet. Cold wallet is obviously preferable. Low leverage gives you stop loss extension. Yeah, but it's like even then, you can do that with high leverage as well. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Leverage is literally just a tool to achieve the position size you want. Only size matters. Yes, Curtis, I agree. I want to find a trade. I don't mind if it's a shitcoin. You know what I found sometimes? Here's a little bit of alpha for you. Sometimes you get this shit, right? Where you take a trade down here and you see an obvious liquidity target up here, okay? And you might even see like equal highs here. But then you have like a smaller high here. And you're thinking, what do I go for? You know what? I'm going to go for the equal highs because in my head that makes a lot more sense. I get a little bit more of the trade. A little bit better TP, and obviously that's the bigger liquidity draw, right? But actually, I mean, let's say these guys are like this, right? And you got the equal highs here and then something like that. Very often I find we will sweep that first low and you'll get a massive pullback. Now, sometimes it goes all the way back up and then you get your target. But like, especially on scalps, the drawdown after taking that first high can be like 50% of your UPNL. So I find in those situations, I almost never go for the obvious. So like here, for example, the point I'm making is that this seems like the obvious liquidity draw, but I could totally see us do something like that. And that would freak me out if we came within, you know, a couple of points of taking the TP and then dropped like 30% of your UPNL. That'd freak me out in terms of trade management. So yeah, never be afraid. For my money, never be afraid to go for the more conservative target. Like, what's really the difference between, you know, 2.1 OR and 2.2 OR, for example? There's no difference. But the difference between 2.1 OR and, let's say, 1 OR, if you hit your trailing stop or something like that, that's pretty big. BTC looks so good here. I really like seeing this after the sweep. GMT is, yeah, the one that's up 7% on the day. Can someone tell me what the GMT news was? Because I presume it's not up 7% for no reason. We'll short the absolute shit out of this if we get the proper setup. But this is not... The short setups on news pumps are this. This is a short setup on a news pump. You get a big blow off top like this and a very sharp rejection straight away. This, no. Because it's just up and then more up and then more up. And then, you know... kind of, that's, maybe you're thinking that's the blow off top, but it just bought it back up again, and now we're just chilling, you know. It's like that's not what you want to see if you're looking to short GMT. Maybe one more run of the high and we get a massive blow off top followed by a sell off, then you short. But so far, no. Especially look at these highs. Look at these highs. Who's shorting GMT here? It's a dangerous game. This is what you wait for if you want to short GMT, okay? You're long GMT too. I think this is a long. It's like it's not really showing any signs of. This looks like accumulation. It doesn't look like distribution. It'd be frustrating to be in a BTC long here, cause like hasn't really moved all that much. Less than 1%. Man, chop chop chop. GMT holding up, man. I think this is yeah, let's share this. So this idea would be invalidated if we take these highs first. We might get our third drive on BTC here. You know what? That's the order we want to keep open. I'm longing something. Yeah, I'm bullish, man. I think we're... Don't short support, Victor. Why are you shorting support? Sharp sell-off on GMT. Yikes. Yeah. That's alright. 4151. I think we take that long, though. Wait, is GMT something I can trade? Presumably. Yeah, let's put it into our favorites. So we never miss a GMT trade. Yeah. This is a trade we're taking. Scammy GMT. So GMT needs to stop selling off so forcefully. It's looking scary. Is BTC rugging? Is that what's happening here? Okay. Let's see what we get. We got no fill on Bitget. Damn. Down tremendous. Oh. Oh, if this bounces here, then... Well, BTC is still dropping. No fill on Bitget. What did we miss? We missed by 0.0005. BTC is still absolutely rugging, though. Okay. I got filled. Am I fully filled? No, I'm getting fully filled here. Okay, we're nearly filled half. Ballsy to long in this market? Not really. This isn't like the craziest trade I've ever taken. Right, we are fully filled. Hard stop because I'm not. Let's go. Yeah. Knows what we decided on. Watch this just absolutely tank. Oh no. I think GMT looks okay here. It's probably famous last words. Okay, we're up $100. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it, GMT. We believe in you. Although it's BTC we need to believe in. Nice entry, says Victor. Yeah, it was okay. I tell you, it looks good now because BTC isn't doing much. BTC isn't doing much and this is bouncing. Do we be greedy lads here and go for the full TP? Or do we just close at 42.3? I think I know the answer. I think I know the answer. We all know the answer. It's time to double down. Yeah, it's time to... Position size isn't large enough. Time to buy more. Time to long more. I think we all know the answer, and I think the answer is... We do that. Well, I'll tell you what. We're gonna assess this. We're not gonna make a call yet. SPX looks not bad. Like, if SPX continues to push... as long as it doesn't drop below 339, if it can hold like 3940, which it's not doing, then we should be okay. See, if we exit here, it's 2-or trade, man. Can't say no to that. We're doing well. You know what? I made the call. I gotta be happy with taking... I'm on stream with like 150 people watching. Gotta be happy with the small wins. You know, you can't go for the home run every time. Also feel like my trade management is shit because I'm trying to entertain people. Trade management is all very well and good when you're not doing it in a public stream. Okay, SPX doing okay. There's just a lot of highs here. See, this is the thing. We don't need much from SPX. All we need is a little wick on this M1 candle. A little pop, and this thing goes to target. Why don't I move my stop loss? Because I don't move my stop loss. Where do you move your stop loss here, White Wolf? Honest question, right? Because, like, you know, do you move it here, just in profit? Well, what happens if price just sweeps this low and then goes to your target? I mean, I get what you're saying. You want to manage the trade so you don't lose, but unless there's some clear, unless structure develops and I get a new invalidation, the idea is still valid even if we come back to entry. Right? You know what I mean? It's showing strength against BTC. Okay, we're up $200 dues. Man, that was a sharp projection. Because BTC is rugging. Oh, that's so gross, man. Man. How quickly things turn. 0.42, yeah. Weird resistance. That's a good buyback. This is why, man, trading alts. Oh... Leverage trading alts. Leverage scalp trading alts is just give you a bloody heart attack. The thing is, right, these highs, if one of them gets run, I think it'll just pop. That's my feeling. You just chicken out and realize profits? I probably will if we make one more pop. So the thing is, I just feel like these highs are gonna go. No, I have no reason to close here just yet. It won't take much from BTC for this to pop, in my opinion. I like this energy. I like this energy from GMT. Boys, it'd be so hype if we get this. Come on, let's do the thing. Do the thing. Oh, let's go. Man, that 0.42 is resistance, huh? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. God candle. Let's go. Come on. Do it. Boys, I think I'm gonna bow out. Unless there's God candles right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Yeah, you wanna... Oh, you wanna actually sell off there, please? we didn't get everything out there. Yes, come on. Yes. Let's go. You can go all the way to Valhalla for all I care now. There you go. That's all good. Oh, let's go, boys. I'm so pleased with that. That's such a good one. After doing nothing for so long. So, challenge account 10913. What did we make on that one? We were on 10.6 or something, so I think we made like $300. Well, you know what? An easy way to check. Yeah, $304. Let's go. Okay, yeah, that was a really nice finish to the stream. We caught a 2-or long on GMT, added like $300 to the challenge account, which is like, yeah, that's like 3% or nearly 3%. So yeah, really happy with that. Really nice way to finish things off. But yeah, until then, guys, have a great weekend. Have a great rest of the week. Still another day left. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for dropping by. And we'll catch you again on Monday. I'll release the schedule for next week over the weekend. But it'll probably be Monday. So until then, take care. Good luck. And have a good weekend. Take it easy, guys. ETC paper trade, boy. ETC paper trade went to target. Follis, the best paper trader in the game right now. How old am I? 69. That's exactly my age. How did you guess? Break-even stops are for wusses. No wusses on this stream. We're just a bunch of soy hands. We're gonna get rugged so bad. Our beautiful paper trade. We're paper trading like nobody's business over here. We can't get enough of that paper trade action. Can you check random shitcoin and tell me where I can buy that coin? Tell me 3 target prices for buying. No worries, man. That's part of my private mentorship package. Only 0.5 BTC. Move my face, please. Wow, that's... I feel hurt. I feel offended. And I feel excluded. But that's alright, as I drink my coffee through a straw, because I'm a weirdo. Can I check ETC? I can check ETC. That's not on our list of banned substances. If I can even click the buttons with my soy hands. Get with the program here, MVA. We were talking, you know, we were keeping it decent. We were talking about foot fetishes. We're talking about haircuts. You had to get weird with the egg on your head. Man, you just... Come on, man. Get out of here. One of your channel points when you used to stream a few years ago was cracking an egg on your head. Hey, look, whatever you Dutchies are into, you know. Can't say enough about the boys from the Netherlands. Am I right? MVA trying to claim that he's not Dutch. You know, you love that. It's that interaction with the fans. You know, you love to see it better. I like interacting with you weirdos, especially guys who like, you know, the feet, the eggs on the head.